Good morning, everyone. It's Stephen Whiteside here from theuptrend.com with your morning market outlook for Tuesday, March 10th, 2026. Well, yesterday turned out to be a wild day. We saw a little taco. We saw some market manipulation by the president. We certainly did not go down and retest the overnight lows. That is a bullish sign. In the pre-market this morning, stock index futures are trading down. Certainly looks like a normal morning here, nothing like what we saw yesterday morning. And commodities, crude oil continues to move lower this morning while gold is up in the pre-market on Tuesday morning. Now, Monday gave us huge swings in the price of crude oil and gasoline. They certainly headed higher at the open and then completely reversed going into the end of the day. Energy stocks themselves in New York were down just under 0.5%, while in Canada, they were up just under 0.5% on the day. So just a reversal of what we saw on Friday. Now, the VIX is falling at the moment, but certainly not enough to get bulls overly excited. We're still very elevated, whether you're looking at the VIX for the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, or the Russell 2000. So we still have some work to go before the market goes from being cautious and bearish to being bullish once again. Looking at the U.S. market, there's the Vanguard Total Market ETF, there's the Dow. So we saw a lot of bullish reversal days, but also outside reversal days. You can see that Monday's bar traded outside of Friday's trading range, and we closed above Friday's high. So that is a bullish sign. We'll be looking to see if we can hold yesterday's lows going forward, but it doesn't look like we're heading down in that direction this morning. There's a nice outside reversal day for the S&P 500. The NASDAQ trading right back up to the upper channel line. And again, we know there's resistance just above that. And we'll have to see how the market handles that going forward. Russell 2000, big reversal day for the Russell 2000 as well. What didn't work so well, financials continued to move lower yesterday and closing lower on the day. So did U.S. banks. We saw a big down move for the insurance sector as well, which of course is part of the financial sector. And then we had home builders making a new low for this move, again closing lower on the day. Now, what worked yesterday? Well, on the Dow, Caterpillar was the big winner. On the NASDAQ 100, it was Western Digital. And for the S&P 500, it was SanDisk. And as you can see, no major trend changes, just a nice reversal. And looking to see if we can capitalize on yesterday's big reversal on Tuesday. Looking at the Canadian market, there was a new low yesterday for the iShares for the TSX 60, the Vanguard Canada ETF. A wild day for stocks outside of Canada. Again, outside reversal day and running back up to fill the open gap. Then we've got small caps making a new low. We had the Venture Exchange reverse yesterday, actually closed higher on the day, still on a sell signal. Financials dipped lower yesterday, did not recover, did not have an outside reversal day. That's also true for Canadian banks. So you can see the financial sector was hit hard on both sides of the border yesterday. Then looking at gold stocks, they were down on the day, but reversed going into the close, closing up just over 1%. And technology stocks still holding on a buy signal at the present time. Now, what worked yesterday? Well, the big winner on both the TSX 60 and the TSX was Celestica. But as you can see, while it gained over 7%, there's really no change in trend here. And then what didn't work? Well, Brookfield Infrastructure was the big loser on the TSX 60 yesterday, ending the day down over 2.33%. Then looking at the TSX Most Actives, we're not going to see any trend changes here. We put in a new high for Canadian Natural Resources before closing down just 19 cents. Inside day for Suncor on Monday. Cenovus was actually closed higher on the day by 21 cents. No change for Tourmaline. Manulife making a new low for this move. Certainly recovered off of the low of the day, but did not make any gains on the previous day's trading. So down 39 cents on the day. There's Whitecap Resources. No change there. No change for Enbridge on Monday. No change in trend for Baytech. And then looking at Barrick, new low for this move before closing up 54 cents on the day. And then looking at TELUS closing in the channel, a close below $18.52 would give us a new sell signal on Tuesday. Let's finish off this morning's presentation looking at the U.S. most actives and starting off with NVIDIA. It was up on the day yesterday. It is down a little in the pre-market this morning. Hims and hers popped. Looks like they've got some legal issues resolved yesterday. Then looking at American Airlines, a new low before a reversal. Ondas closed just below the lower channel line yesterday. No change in trend for Intel, looking for a close on Tuesday above $45.93. Then we've got SoFi still on a sell signal, no change there. No change for Plug Power, traded into the channel, a close below $1.97 on Tuesday would give us a sell signal. New high for Petrobras, no change in trend for Ford, making a new low for this move. No change in trend for Banco Bradesco. New low for Bank of America on Monday. Okay, folks, that is all for this morning's presentation. Obviously, Monday was just an incredibly volatile day. It started right out of the gate when the markets opened at 6 p.m. Sunday night and continued right into the close yesterday. A wild day. The president came out and I guess he was trying to manipulate the market, and he certainly did that. At the same time, nothing has really changed in the Middle East, so we'll have to see if we get some more fall through to the upside here, or if we head back down and retest yesterday's low. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. Next time you'll hear my voice is on Wednesday morning.
Thanks for tuning in until the very end of today's stock market timing educational video. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to express your support by hitting the like button, leave a comment, sharing with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful updates. Remember, in the world of stocks, timing is crucial, and following the trend can be your greatest ally. If you would like more information on how we can help you better time the stock market, please visit theuptrend.com.